Good evening, welcome to my laboratory. As part of the package of the Rigol DS1054Z oscilloscope, we also got the carry bag for it. And it turns out that this is more than just a bag. This is a semi-hardshell case for the scope. And it's kind of pricey, but it's I think it's well worth the money. So let's take a look inside. As I said, it's kind of a hard shell, semi-hard shell case. The top is pretty tough, and there's the carry strap that I have just folded inside, and there's the cord, and it has this nice retainer in there, so even if the case should come open, the scope itself isn't going to fall out. Sort of a belt and suspenders kind of situation. So there's the scope from in there. It fits perfectly. There's plenty of room for the probe packages and the literature pack. And in the top there's a nice zippered compartment for accessories. And then a nice front zone there for more accessories, cables. There's that, and then it's got a couple of pouches on the side too. Nice roomy pouches on the side. And it fits the scope perfectly, with side padding and front padding and back padding, and has plenty of room for the strap inside, and it has high quality clasps and closures. The stitching is really good on it. I'm not quite sure what this is for back here. It's got another little sort of a strap there with a pull tab on it. Anyway, that's the Rigol carry bag case for the 1000 series oscilloscopes. A great deal. Thanks for watching.